Welcome in the Universe community. My name is Sanchita Pandey and our topic for today is difficulties or opportunities. How can you call difficulties as opportunities? Difficulties are not opportunities. Well, they are. It just depends on how you perceive difficulties in life. Now, you have a choice of saying that this situation is so difficult, I quit. Or you have a choice to stay positive, to remain in faith of the higher source, and you say, I would like to find some opportunities that are hidden in these difficulties, and now these difficulties will serve as a platform for your growth in life. Now it won't come easy to you. You need a lot of willpower, you need persistence, patience, resilience on your part. But then if you show these attributes of your personality, that is how you grow. That is why it is said obstacle is the way. There is no other way. But then you have to be put under pressure. It is very easy to say, I have read these books and I know what virtues are. I know how to lead my life well. But when it comes to practice, are you able to bring all these, whatever you have read, whatever you have learned, can you bring them into practice in reality, in practical life? But you have to be tested. It is not that you are ready, okay, now test me. No, the test will come unawares. And now your real thing will come out. You'll be shaken up and then whatever lies inside will come out. Like I said in my earlier video, we are like mugs full of coffee and tea. Whatever lies inside will just come out suddenly with a single bump, with a single shake. So life will shake you up. Now it depends on you whether you lie down on the ground or you decide to get up once again and once again. That is how you become great. Is your mindset problem oriented or solution oriented? In my case, one day I just thought many years back, I need a better stage. I need a bigger stage to showcase my talent, and I went on to the YouTube with all my singing videos. Then I had a lot of stories in my mind, from my personal life. I wanted to share these with everyone around. So I started writing books. So you see, pressure will come, difficulties will come. Now, do you say it is so difficult, life is this boring and nothing to do, or you decide to take a positive path? In my case, I decided to reach out to many more people. This is how you can solve your difficulties. This is how you can use your mental power and spiritual power to come out of difficult situations, sickness, or any kind of obstacles in your life. So that is how you share your own inner resilience grit with others, and you are giving that same energy of faith, of bravery to others also. And in the long run, you are revising what you have learned from these difficulties. So you remain brave. We do not know how brave we are till we suffer from something or till we experience some kind of difficulty in our life. So make a choice to become an alchemist. An alchemist is somebody who changes base metals into gold. Now look at this black coal. It is put under pressure by nature for many, many years. Then it becomes a diamond, shining diamond. So some kind of polishing is required. This journey is very important. This journey is so important because you learn so many things. Then you exude a certain kind of vibration. Come what may, your vibration must be positive because you have to tune in to your desires. How much do you desire your desires? With one jolt, are you ready to leave and quit? Or do you decide to continue even when you face obstacles? Do you quit or you continue? Now this is a choice. This needs mental strength. This needs physical strength, spiritual strength, patience. These are the virtues which make you great in the long run. But easily said than done. Very easy to say, oh, it is a good thing to be patient. But then, can you show that patience when such difficulties, spring out from somewhere in your life? So they will just surprise you. These difficulties just surprise you. And then is the real test of your faith. Do you believe in the higher source? Do you actually believe in the higher source? If you really believe, you will continue with whatever you are doing. You will think of more inspiring ideas rather than taking the other way of negativity, of quitting, of thinking, no, it is difficult, it is impossible. You'll take the other road, that is the road of positivity, the road of inspiring ideas, the road of persistence. When difficulties show up, you have to become that little ant who will take left, right, it will go from above, from below, it will try many ways, but an ant will never stop. We can learn from that little ant, that little creature. Even that little creature is so inspiring. This is what we have to learn. Even impossible says, I am possible. So let not anything stop you from achieving your desires. You are a limitless being. You must become an alchemist, and nobody said it would be easy. You have to wait, you must have patience, but the only thing under your control is your own belief and your own thoughts. Always take care that your thoughts are positive. They are more about, yes, I can do it. They are positive. Your self-affirmations are positive. That is what you have to take care about. I saw a flower blooming right in the corner of the garden. And my first impression was, has it grown? Nobody will be able to even see it. But it is showing its most beautiful self, not bothering about where it is growing. Why? Because they say, bloom where you are planted, wherever you are. You may be in a village. You may not see many opportunities around, but you can think of focusing on that one small opportunity that still can be seen where you are, and start working on that one opportunity, and your vibrations will travel far away. And it is your vibrations that will bring everything you desire to you wherever you are right now. You will not go anywhere, and there will come here, as Easter Hicks says. You will be here and there will come here. You don't have to go there. That is how vibrations work, because wherever you may be standing right now, you may not see many opportunities, but exude those vibrations of hopefulness, positivity, of belief. Yes, I can do it. I must do it. Let me do this. From where I am right now, like that little flower, beautiful flower. It is not complaining where it is growing right now. It is hopeful. Yes, somebody will come and see me, and I went and saw in the morning. It was so beautiful. That is how you will be discovered. Your ideas will be discovered. Like they say, you do not need the support of 1,000 people, of 100 people, of 50 people. You don't need that kind of support. All you need is that one right idea. All you need is that one right support from that one right person. All you need is that one right phone call, that one right break, that one right opportunity that will come to you. But it can only come, it can flow to you when you release resistance. What gives resistance to your desires? Your complaining attitude. complaining about difficulties, complaining about life situations. It is not that your life situation will be perfect all the time, but instead of focusing your mind on problems, you have this choice of focusing your mind, focusing on solution, focusing on what is still right in your life, what is still good in your life, and then things start changing, because everything is what you are attracting in your life. So even when the situations are not very congenial, it must be attraction somewhere. We don't realize it. So you have the power, and you have this power right now in this moment. This moment is all you have. This moment is when you are creating your life. Change your thoughts and change your life. So just take a look at your belief system, at your conditioned mind. Some kind of old conditioned, working of the mind is stopping you from doing something. How people react to you, how people respond to the ideas you give to others. All these should not make a difference to you. All that matters is whether you believe in your ideas, whether you believe in you. Because you are an alchemist. An alchemist will change any kind of difficulty into something positive. You were given a very difficult situation in life, but you steered it into something positive. Like during sickness, I steered it towards finding solutions to obstacles and difficulties in the way. And when I felt relieved, I wanted to share it with everybody else, and I wrote books just to share how you could still be happy when things are not going on right. And things changed. I entered into a life of absolute abundance and happiness after that. And so as you share with others, as you are more in gratitude, as you decide to become an alchemist by only focusing on solutions and right opportunities and everything right in your life, that is how you change your life. So this is all in this video. Thank you so much, Inner Universe community. It is so beautiful to connect with all of you. Thank you so much for joining me here. My message for you is I love you, and I wish abundance, peace, good health, and lot of love in your life. Stay safe and keep smiling. Namaste.